Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the online teaching and you are doing your work very nicely. So, children, now today it's the time to start the new chapter. So, before starting the chapter, I want to tell you something about a very brave girl, Bubbly. Children, see, there was a girl, Bubbly. She had 8 brothers and sisters and she belonged to a poor family. Okay, but she was very hardworking. She helped her mother in work. She always helped her family. Do you know? She had a dream to go to school, but her parents had no money for school fee. But she was very eager to go to school. So children, do you know, she was very brave and what she did daily after doing work, she used to go to the bank of river, and from there she always saw the sunset. She loved to see the sunset. One day, one incident happened there in the river and she performed a praiseworthy work on that day. So what was that work? I will tell you through this chapter. So all will come to me and all will look at the pointer and will see what I am showing you and what I am telling you. You have to listen very carefully. So let's move to the starting and we will read this chapter. I hope you all will find this chapter very interesting and very good. See now, what is the name of the chapter? Brave Bubbly. Brave. When you do a work of bravery and when you do a work when all the people, they praise for you and they say how brave you are, how nice work you have done. You helped a needy person in which the bravery is required. So that work is always praised by the people. See, I'm telling you, see, look here. Bubbly is one of the 9 children of a poor family man. Bubbly is one of the 9 children of a poor man. See, there were 9 children in the family and Bubbly was one of them. She saved 6 children from drowning in river Ganga. See, she was very brave and one day she saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. They were playing in the river and incidentally they were drowning, but the girl Bubbly, she saved their life. With bravery, she performed and she saved the life of children. She got one award also. See, she got the Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award on 25th January 2005. Children, when you do a good work, your mother always praise, and when you do any excellent performance, when you give any excellent performance at school, your teacher, she always give you the certificates or some award. Similarly, this girl showed her bravery and she got an award on 25th January from the Prime Minister of India. So it was the moment of pride for Bubbly. Children, see, what was the story? I'm telling you. This was about Bubbly, what I told you. Now story started. Bubbly lives with her family in a small mud house. Mud house, do you know mud house? Which is made of mud, which is kacha house. She belongs to a poor family, and she lives in a small mud house on the bank of the river Ganga. Bubbly dreams of going to school. She dreams of going to school, but she cannot. Why she cannot go to school? Because her family has no money, and if they have no money, they cannot send her to school, because when you go to school you have to pay school fee. Similarly, Bubbly has also to pay school fee, but her parents, they don't have money for school fee, because they are very, very poor. However, she has faith in hard work and in God. She has a faith in hard work, that if we do hard work we can get everything. She has faith in God also. She always prays to God, and she always do hard work. She is always smiling and helpful. See, she wants to go to school, but her parents, they don't have money. Then also she always smiles and helps other. It was her nature to help people. See, she always help her mother with work in the house. See, whenever her mother works, like her mother is just washing the utensils, she always helps her mother in every work. In the evening, she goes to watch the sunset over the Ganga, and she is in the habit of going over the bank of river Ganga. For what? To watch the sunset. So when the sun sets, she always goes and watch the sunset on the bank of river Ganga. See, sometimes every child has you can say every child enjoy a specific work. Similarly, she also enjoys watching sunset. She loves to see the twinkling stars. When the sun sets, what comes in the sky? Star. So she loves to see the twinkling stars and the changing shape of the moon. So she always watches these things, twinkling stars and the changing shape of the moon. Children, one day, the date was 30th June 2004. This was the special date for Bubbly. What happened on that day? See, this date changed Bubbly's life forever. Forever means in the coming after that, when she was poor, after that, on this date 30th June 2004, this date changed her life forever, means for coming life, for whole life. This date changed her the scenario of her life, means uski आने वाला जो life था, that was changed. She was trying to finish her work quickly before sunset. See what happened on that day. On this date, 30th June 2004, she was trying to finish her work quickly before sunset, because she wanted to see the sunset, so that she was finishing her work. Then from time to time she would laugh at the funny action of 6 young children playing nearby. See, sometimes they chased each other, shouting and screaming. You all are also children. Sometimes when you are happy, you shout, you screams, and sometimes when you are unhappy, then also you shouts in anger. You scream also similarly. Those children were also screaming and shouting. Sometimes they ran around a wooden vegetable cart. So sometimes what did they do? See, when the vegetable seller came to the street, they moved round and round to the vegetable cart. See, when they got tired, so after playing and after doing these all naughtiness, when they got tired of chasing each other, they climbed into the cart. Then they climbing. Then they started climbing on the cart of vegetable and started jumping and dancing on it. So these all the actions and the work they always did. See what happened then. The cart was standing on a sandy slope. See, the vegetable cart on which the 6 children were jumping and dancing, that cart was standing on a sandy slope. Sandy slope, sand means, sand, soil, the dust, you can say. And it was in sloping form, and the cart was there. What happened? The jumping and dancing of the children on the cart rocked it dangerously. So if the cart is standing on a sandy slope, means it is not standing on the flat surface, it is standing on the sloping surface, which was not flat. Suddenly, what happened when they were dancing and jumping? The cart rocked. It started thrilling. Suddenly, the wheels of the cart, what happened? Suddenly, the wheels of the cart slipped. See, when the children were dancing and jumping, it just started thrilling and rocked incidentally. And after that, what happened? It was slipped. When you play, see, suppose if you are standing on a cart, on which the vegetable seller brings vegetable, and it is not standing on the flat surface, and it is standing on sloping surface, and you are jumping on it. What will happen? It will be slipped away. Similarly, that cart also slipped, and the cart with the 6 children still on it started rolling down the slope. See, the cart with 6 children, on the cart on which the 6 children were playing, still on it, and it started rolling down the slope. It was coming down from the slope, and it was sloping towards a river. So it was standing on the sandy slope, means sloping surface, and when the children were dancing on it, jumping on it, suddenly it started coming towards a river, and the cart fell into the water. The cart fell into the water, and all the 6 children, they came in the river. See, the cart fell into the water with a loud thud. And the children, see, what do you mean by thud? Come down. Wait for 1 minute. See, look here. You have to wait for 1 minute. I will show you something new which is given down on the page, and for coming parts also it will be helpful to you. Let me drag. See the words which are given here: rolling, slope. Slope I told you, which is not flat, which is in slant form, that is called slope.